I started gaining weight after I got done playing because I stopped exercising. Then I had herniated discs and just kind of ballooned. And what I've noticed about myself is I have to have a team, and that's what I love about these guys is they kind of surround me, they coach me, they help me. I've lost 80 pounds since I've been with them in the last, year and a half, I think. And all my numbers are improving as well.
His blood pressure's down, his sugars are down,
there we go.
His inflammation is down.
You sound like my grandmother talking about my sugars. But I don't know if I don't remember what I felt like when I was 25, but I've got to be close because you really do feel different.
Well, we see you from time to time.
Yes.
You were coming in here, and I mean, 2 or 3 years ago, it was kind of a different version.
No, it was. Yeah. It was. I feel better. I look better. I get to buy skinnier clothes. Let's not say skinny clothes. Skinnier clothes. It's made all the difference in the world. I mean, just in everything.
We say if you're in your late 30s, you probably need us. If you're over 40, you definitely do. It's not your fault. We hear all the time that folks, I'm eating right, I'm exercising, but there's something missing. And generally, we find that hormone replacement can help with all of that.
Helps you get over that hump.
Yeah, absolutely.